Hello folks, this is Daniel again in Clean Max Exterior in Framingham, Massachusetts, and today I'm going to be cleaning this entire house with siding. We're being extra careful about the plants here. It's just out there. I don't know what that is. With these plants I have to be careful with the siding here. It's filthy. I gotta tell you, very effective. The only thing is, just on this side over here, I already spent out of money, like maybe 3 gallons of shock, but there's still 2 gallons of, well, I don't know, maybe, because this hose, this 5A hose, can take up to like 2 gallons of water inside, so and it's heavy. Okay, but it's working really fast. Gonna hit the peaks over there, then get started with rinsing. Maybe this gutter here. Okay, so this side is clean. Back side over here, at least half this portion is clean. Just I'm having a hard time getting the middle area here in the gutters. It's too windy and I just can't reach it, even with the ladder. This section is done. I'm gonna come back around the house and then hit this back porch, and then this side. I also have to do these 2 panels. That's over there. And that's it. But this is coming out really nice. Even though with the soft washing hose. Slow, but it's we're making progress. At least we're controlling the overspray of the cam, even with the windy condition. Already soaked this side of the house, and I'm gonna be rinsing soon. Okay. Okay, so everything came out great in this project. I'm heading to the next house. Okay, so it got way too windy, so I wasn't gonna be able to clean the second house. We ended up rescheduling for next week, but I'm gonna leave it up to here. Now I'm going to go to the a car repairman to deal with an issue with the truck, so I'm able to clean properly next week. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.